Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Colors name: black color, red color, blue color, green color, yellow color and white color. Kids night coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Kids again use black color and draw G. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. I. I for ice cream. Kids night J. J for jackfruit and use red color. Red color. The alphabets of J. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. Kids again use red color and draw O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quill. Kids night R. R for rose. R for rice. The alphabets of R and use blue color. S. S for sun. Kids again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. Kids again use blue color and draw W. W for wallet. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Kids night on numbers and first read of 1 and use green color. O and 1, 2, T W 2, 3, 4. Kids again use green color and draw 5, 6. Kids night 7 and use green color. 8. The numbers of 8. 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.